time for some good old Top That Trade with our trading stars. Flynn, a Fox Business Network news contributor, and Knuckman, the chief market strategist at bullseyeoption.com. These guys are ready to go a few rounds on the opposite sides of the fence. Round number one, market melt up. Can the stock market keep up the climb?
Well, that's the hardest thing to identify in investing, when a trend is going to come to an end. And I've never tried to do that. Now, the market's been lower left, upper right for going on, 2 years now? I don't know what's going to stop it. And I will see it. I will know it when I see it. But for right now, you've got to respect the overall trend. No matter what gets thrown at the market, it continues to make new higher highs. And we're going to have a theme today in trying to forecast where it can go. Again, anything can happen. But right now, you've got to respect the momentum of this market.
Yeah, I'll know it after it happens too. No, I'm just kidding. But essentially, right now, as we have said before, this is one of the strongest bull markets in history. There's a lot of reasons behind it. This has been one of the most hated bull markets in history. But, you kind of go back. If I were going to look for an event that may cause a pullback or correction that may be overdue in this market, it might be the presidential election. Why? Because we saw a big pullback during the last election, and then the market bottomed and took off. So that might be an area to be cautious. But listen, we're long-term bulls, Alan and I got to agree with Alan. You got to just ride the trend.
Round two, euro power. The euro currency is down. The European Central Bank sees no signs of recession. Why then is the safe haven play of gold still going?
The dollar is king once again, right? The dollar has been incredible. And there's been a lot of uncertainty about politics in Europe, whether they're just looking at the U.S. and they're looking for the U.S. to continue to drive the globe out of the economy. But one of the things that we've been looking at, the old commodities like the Canadian dollar and the Australian dollar have been gaining on the euro pretty dramatically over the last couple of months. And usually that accelerates as you get into winter. So that may be another aspect. From a gold aspect, gold is the perfect hedge for every situation, right? Central banks are buying gold like crazy. The Chinese have been buying. They've paused because prices are too high. But there's a big expectation by the end of the year that China is going to come into the gold market in a big way, and that's keeping the bulls running.
So the way I look at it, even though the dollar has gotten a little firmer after a big decline, that gold staying here or begrudgingly making new highs is just waiting for the dollar decline. The dollar decline is going to be the next catalyst for gold. So that shows the overall strength that even against the dollar, the gold still has all of that. Again, the theme is market momentum.
Round number three, Bitcoin boom. Technical analysts project Bitcoin could trade to nearly 280,000 by the end of 2025. What are your thoughts about crypto crushing it?
You look at crypto over the last 15 years or so, the price patterns are these moves up and then a 300% burst. So 300%, yes, that does project 279,000 in the Bitcoin. So there's a lot of upside. How it gets there may be ugly, but those are the projections if you just go on price patterns of the past.
And I agree with Alan. I think that the price patterns look extremely bullish, and there is big money interest in the Bitcoin. And Bitcoin made history at the CME group this week.
Right.
The open interest in Bitcoin futures is now at an all-time high. And usually when you see something like that, that means serious people are taking notice of this. And Bitcoin crypto has become an issue in the presidential campaign with both candidates with their views on crypto that may shape the future of this commodity.
For your bonus round question today, we're keeping it simple. True or false? After going out of business, Bed Bath & Beyond is coming back to a physical store near you. True or false?
I'd say true. True.
Alan, what's your guess?
I pick yes.
It's true. Bed Bath & Beyond will be in Container Stores.
Wow, there you go.
You guys are a couple of winners. Business First AM will be right back. Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.